today we are going to be going to, I keep calling it the jungle place because I don't know the actual name, but we're going to this jungle play time place for the first time. It's in the mall that's close to our house, and I've always wanted to try it with the kids, so today we're going to actually try it. So, are you excited? Yeah. Are you excited to go to the jungle place? He just woke up from a nap in the car. So I will try and take some video on the inside. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to get video. I'm going to try not to get anybody else's kids in the video just for like safety reasons. But yeah, so I will let you guys know how it goes. Okay, so it's 2 hours later and we are all done. So it costs $9 to get in for one child, and then it's $4 more for each additional child after that, and you don't have to pay for the parents. So I spent about $13, plus I bought a couple of like juice things and an iced tea for me. I was totally unprepared going in there. I wasn't sure if we could bring outside food or not, but you can. So you can bring in snacks and like food and whatever you want. You can bring all of that with you already. You don't have to just buy what they have there, and they only have drinks there. They don't really have any other food. So next time, when we do come back, I'll bring snacks and juice for the kids so I don't have to worry about that. But overall, they had so much fun. They're both super exhausted. Lennon is ready for a nap. Colt's ready for a nap, and I'm ready to just relax. It was so much fun. They let the parents go in and play with the kids too. Well, not necessarily play, but like you can climb with the kids to make sure they're not gonna get hurt.